Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play this really easy 12-bar blues on your fretless cigar box guitar. I'm tuned to G, low G, D in the middle, high G. I'm using a Microcube on clean with a little bit of reverb. If this is your first time playing slide, try to hold the slide perpendicular to the neck. And you can use any finger you want. I like using sometimes my second finger, but usually my little finger, because I have all these fingers to mute behind. It just helps it sound a little cleaner so you get just the notes you want. If you don't mute, it sounds more like, which isn't bad. Some people like that. A little sloppier, fun sometimes. This is one of those songs that sounds way harder than it is, which is kind of cool, because if you're a beginner, it's nice to play stuff that's actually really easy, but people think, oh wow, that's great. So I'll play it for you, and we'll take it from there. That's all there is to it. This is a 12-bar blues, so it follows a formula. Bar is the same as measure. So this is the one chord. Chords are represented by Roman numerals. Frets are represented by regular numbers. So this is the one chord. It does 4 measures of the one chord. I'll count that out for you. 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4, we're not playing anything, which gives us a chance to get back over to the other side of the instrument. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the frets are 3, 0, 3, 0, 5, 3, 0. That also happens to be your pentatonic scale, G minor pentatonic, to be specific. So then it goes to 2 measures of the 4 chord, which is found on the 5th fret. So if that sounds crazy to you, it's because we're following a major scale. G, A, B, C is the 4th note, and it's found on the 5th. And this is represented by the Roman numeral 4. So we have a different lick that we're going to play over the 4 chord. We're just going to hold our slide there, with or without vibrato, and we're just going to go low, middle, high, middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're all 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do that twice because we do 2 measures on the 4 chord. Then we go back to the 1 chord for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 measures. So that's a 2-measure lick, which is actually one of the things that makes a song easier than other songs. Once we've done that, and just in case you forgot, that was 3, 0, 3, 0, 5, 3, 0. Now we're going to go to the 5 chord. This is the 4 chord, so the 5 chord's on 7. And we're going to play the same lick we did on the 4 chord. Low, middle, high, middle. Just 1 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to the 4 chord, 1 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to the 1 chord, but only for 1 measure. Okay, and then we're going to end it by going to the 5 chord, which is also the 12th bar. We're going to climb up to that. 5, 6, 7. So I'll do that for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just picking all 3 notes on the 7th fret. And that's all there is to playing that blues. I hope you have a great day.